Hello students, today we are going to learn trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. We'll start from trigonometry ratios of 45 degree. Now here consider one triangle ABC. In that angle B is equal to 90 degree. If we consider angle A is equal to 45 degree, then angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 45 plus 90. By angle sum property of triangle, we will get here 45 degree. So in triangle ABC, angle A and angle C are equal. So its opposite sides are equal. So these opposite sides, if we consider as A units and even BC is also A units, we can understand what is AC by using Pythagoras theorem. Now using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB is A, so A square plus BC is A, so BC square will become A square. We will get here 2A square. So AC is equal to root of 2A square, that is A into root 2 units. So here AC is A root 2 units. Now we can find out here all the ratios of 45 degree. Sine 45 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC, that is A by A root 2. A and A will get cancelled, 1 by root 2. Cos 45 adjacent by hypotenuse, that is A by A root 2. A and A gets cancelled, 1 by root 2. Tan 45 opposite by adjacent, that is A by A is equal to 1. Now cosecant 45 is the reciprocal of sine 45, so it is root 2. Secant 45 is the reciprocal of cos 45, it is root 2, and cot 45 is the reciprocal of tan 45, so it is 1. Now we are going to trigonometry ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. We know that 60 degree angle which will be there in equilateral triangle. So here triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. In that angle B is equal to 60 degree. Here we'll draw AD perpendicular to BC. Now the triangle which one is shaded, if we consider that, now here this is 60 degree angle here, this is 90. So angle BAD is equal to 180 degree minus 60 plus 90. We will get here 30 degree. Now since this is an equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal, and I will consider as all the sides are 2A units. Even we can take it as A, only for the calculation sake we are taking like this. Now we know that triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by RHS rule. These two are 90 and 90. AB is equal to AC hypotenuse here, and AD is equal to AD common side. By RHS rule, both the triangles are congruent. So we will get here BD is equal to DC CPCT. So here BD is equal to A units. Now in triangle ADB, if we find out what is AD, we can find all the trigonometric ratios of 60 degree and 30 degree. So we have to apply here Pythagoras theorem in triangle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. So AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So here AB is 2A, 2A the whole square is equal to AD we need to find out here, and BD is A square. So 4A square is equal to AD square plus A square. So we will get here AD square is equal to 4A square minus A square, that is equal to 3A square. So AD is equal to root of 3A square. So root of A square is A, root 3 units. So here AD is equal to A root 3 units. Now we can find out all the trigonometry ratios of 60 degree and 30 degree. We'll start from sine 60. Sine 60 is equal to here AD by AB. So it is root 3A by 2A. A and A will get cancelled. So we will get root 3 by 2. Cos 60 adjacent by hypotenuse, that is A by 2A. A and A gets cancelled, 1 by 2. Tan 60 opposite by adjacent, that is root 3A by A is equal to root 3. Then cosecant 60 is the reciprocal of sine 60, that is 2 by root 3. Secant 60 is the reciprocal of cos 60, that is 2, and cot 60 is the reciprocal of tan 60, that is root 3 by 1, so it is 1 by root 3. Now here for the 30 degrees, sine 30, 30 is here, opposite by hypotenuse, A by 2A. So A and A gets cancelled, 1 by 2. Next cos 30, that is adjacent by hypotenuse, root 3A by 2A, that is root 3 by 2. Tan 30 opposite by adjacent, that is A by root 3A. A and A will get cancelled, 1 by root 3. Cosecant 30 is the reciprocal of sine 30, so it is 2. Secant 30 is the reciprocal of cos 30, 2 by root 3. And cos 30, cot 30 is the reciprocal of tan 30, that is root 3. Next we are going to trigonometry ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. First we'll start with 0 degree. Suppose here triangle ABC, in that angle B is equal to 90 degree it is given. Now here angle A we want to make it 0, so that this vertex C we should bring closer and closer to angle B, vertex B. So here it came little closer, so that this angle A is going on reducing. It comes little more closer here. Angle became less than that. Again here smaller it became. Here also it became smaller than the previous case. Finally, when it becomes 0, AC and AB both coincide. That time here this side which is there opposite to angle A, it won't be there. So we consider this side as 0. Which sides are coinciding, we'll take it as 1 and 1. Now in this triangle ABC, we can write all the trigonometric ratios for 0 degree. Sine 0 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, that is 0 by 1 is equal to 0. Cos 0 is adjacent by hypotenuse, 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Tan 0 is equal to opposite by adjacent, 0 by 1 is equal to 0. Now cosecant 0 is the reciprocal of sine 0, that is 1 by 0. We can't divide any number by 0, so it is not defined. Secant 0 is the reciprocal of cos 0, that is 1 by 1 again, so it is 1. And tan 0 reciprocal, cot 0 is the reciprocal of tan 0, that is 1 by 0, which is not defined. Now we are going to trigonometry ratios of 90 degree. Here we want to make here angle B is equal to 90 degree we want to make. So what we should do, this angle A we should make bigger, larger and larger and larger. So vertex A will go closer to vertex B here. So here angle became larger, so it came, A came little closer to B. Again it became larger than the previous case. It came little more closer to B. Again here also you can observe angle became little larger than the previous one. So A came still more closer to B. Finally A and B both coincides. That time angle A will become 90 degree. So here angle A is 90, angle B is also 90 here. AC and BC coincides, AC and BC coincides. So we take it as 1 and 1. that time this side won't be there, that is AB won't be there, so we take it as 0. Now we'll write all the trigonometric ratios of sine 90. Sine 90 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, that is 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Cos 90 adjacent by hypotenuse, 0 by 1 is equal to 0, and tan 90 is equal to opposite by adjacent, that is 1 by 0, that is not defined. Then cosecant 90 is the reciprocal of sine 90, that is 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Secant 90 is the reciprocal of cos 90, 1 by 0 is equal to not defined. And cot 90 is 0 by 1, that is equal to 0.